Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is Christina, your fashion and beauty advisor. I'm extremely excited today as BTS announced their tour dates. And as most of you, especially the BTS fans, know that they just recently released their new single, which is called the Black Swan. You might be guessing what might be today's inspiration for my video. And that's right, my inspiration will be the Black Swan. So because we don't have any BTS references, I'm just gonna use the Natalie Portman's impersonation of the white and black swan in the Black Swan movie released in 2010. Right, so for the base today, I'm gonna use three products. I'm gonna use the GIORGIO Armani Silk Foundation to create that soft look and smooth out my complexion from the middle down. And then I'm gonna use this Supracolor KRYOLAN, which is like a creamy white color, to build my base from the middle and up. And for the eyes, I am going to use this MAC Painterly. I'm just gonna smooth out my complexion. Up next, I'm gonna take the KRYOLAN Supracolor in white and a clean sponge, and I'm gonna start tabbing, but I don't want that to be that white. So I am just gonna blend it as much as possible, and also we want to blend it from the middle downwards. So basically I'm gonna apply a little bit of product in the middle section and then start dragging and blending with the rest of the skin. I'm just gonna set with this loose powder. One set, I'm going on to the brows. So there will be a mixture of these two colors, that one and that one, to create that long and straight shape. Up next is the eyeliner. I'm gonna use the Blacktrack Pro Longwear Fluidline from MAC in this brush, and I want to have a very sharp angle here. So the angle is going to be the continuation of your lower lash. So basically I'm gonna dry first the angle so that you can see. You just follow your lower lash line, and this is going to be my angle. So now I'm gonna start from the upper corner. Once I come here, I want to connect it. I want to connect it though, but I don't want that very thick line. Draw a line underneath. I want to draw that line just in the center of the eye. Up next is taking a brown color. I'm gonna use this one from the Candeur and Experience Chanel palette and create this shape. So I want to take the Dior Mono color Runway 081 and this Huda Beauty Smoke and Smudge brush, and then basically I want to trace . Right, next I'm taking this Aquacolor from KRYOLAN and two flat brushes. With one and just a little bit of water, I'm creating the color consistency that I want. So I don't need that much of water. And with the clean brush, I'm just gonna start blending so that it doesn't create any harsh lines. I'm also adding the silver color just under the eyeliner. Once I apply the fake eyelashes, the eye makeup is completed. I apply one layer of mascara, I put the fake lashes, and I double them up in the corner. I applied one more coat of mascara to complete the look. Going into the mouth, I'm going to take the 17 number 3 pencil and just outline the mouth.